Hi and welcome to another day of Python programming. Let's get started. Let's get into our idle platform for programming, the Python language, and let's go create a new file. Now today your challenge is, the first one, check if an object is in an array. So first we'll need an array. Remember, pause or play, your choice. Meaning, if you want to try and learn and have a go at it, pause now and try and create a little program that finds the thing in the array. All right, so there's that array. I just put some numbers in there. And the best way to check if anything is in there, we do use in. So if 17 is in my array, need a capital there. Let's do something. I'm just going to print something. Go, yep. There we go, it's in there. And we can do an else if it isn't. Print, not here. Not here. All right, so let's run that. Oh, hang on. Now, if you're using a Mac keyboard, press Fn and F5. That sort of allows you to get away without dimming your screen. All right, we'll call it not in. I haven't done that yet. There we go. And it's not there. All right, so let's change the number to 2 and test it. And yep, it's there. All right, so that's all you do. Use in to check if it's in there. All right, let's try to see if it's not in there. Now we did that with this as well, but there's another way. If 2 is not in, so we do not in my array, print not here. Not here, mate. There we go. And then else, print yep. Yep, it's in there. Now, whoops, see, look at that. Backslash, that'll fix that. It's a inbuilt, that inverted comma is used for creating a string. So if you put it inside your string, make sure you escape it, and that's using the backslash. All right, now I'm going to cut that out because I just want to keep this a simple print. Okay, yep, it's in there. Let's do 20. Run that. And then no, not here, mate. All right, cool. So that's that, not in. That's a good one. What's next? I'll put that back in there because I want to keep that for just reference. Okay, now next is find the index of an object. How would you do that? There's your challenge. Always pause and play. So find index. Put a little comment there with the hash so you know what you're doing. Index of object equals, so we're going to find the index of, let's find the index of 3. Very easy, this one. Dot index, that's the syntax you use. Syntax, maybe. There we go. And we'll print that. We could even make it into, yeah, let's just do that. And then F5, 2. So that's the index down there. 2, let's check it. 0, 1, 2. Yeah, remember, in programming, we start from 0. All right, that's done. Find the index of an object. Like, just say that object's not in there. What's going to happen? Let's say we looked up 20. What's going to happen? You tell me. yeah, it's going to crash. It's not in there. So your next challenge is to find the index of an object that's not in the array, but the program is not allowed to crash. How would you do it? Now, we've done this before. That's right. If you guessed try and accept, great. So try, and then we put this in there. Okay. I'll just put this back to 3 just so it doesn't crash up there. And accept. Print. Uh-oh. Yeah, uh-oh would be good. Something went wrong. And you want to make it descriptive. Like if you're doing an error message, like that number does not exist. And just say you wanted to, put what number doesn't exist. So you could put number equals 20 and pass that down to here. And then in here, we'll put something to that number. So number, something went wrong. Number, and then you put the number here. We can use this sort of format. You put num in here. Number blah does not exist, and that'll grab that and put that in there. All right, cool, let's try it. Fn, F5. Uh-oh, something wrong. Number 20 does not exist. Let's try something that does. All right, and if we get the number, print the number. Here, you try and do it. Make a format, and it tells you that the number 3 exists at index blah, blah, blah. Okay, so you create it. Pause, give it a go. All right, let's go. Let's play. So the number, and we'll put, this is a holder. Dot format, the number, yeah, blah, exists at index. And we're going to get the index there, so another holder. So how do we do 2? Hey, num, comma, index of object, done. All right, let's give it a go. So 3 should exist. And F5, okay. The number 3 exists at index 2. Awesome. So there we go. That's a pretty cool sort of good lot of code there that you will need in your projects. Index of objects, finding things in arrays, finding things that aren't in the array, stopping your program from not crashing, try and accept. Tons of stuff there. Formatting strings, creating good printing of, like, if there's an error or you do find something. Have fun. See you around.